Once upon a time, an old pencil maker took his newest pencil aside, just before he was about to pack him into a box. Imagining the little fellow as a person, he recalled a few things about the pencil. "There are 5 things you need to know," he said to the pencil, "before I send you out into the world. Always remember these 5 things, never forget them, and you will become the best pencil you can be." The first thing is to remember that you will be able to do many great things, but only if you put yourself in someone else's hands. From time to time, you will experience a painful sharpening, but remember that this will make you a better pencil. Also keep in mind that you will be able to correct any mistakes you might make along the way. And the most important part of you is what's on the inside. And remember this as well: upon every surface that you are used, you must leave your mark. No matter what else happens, you must continue to write. It seemed the pencil listened to him and promised he would remember these 5 things so that he could live his life with heart and purpose. You see, in life, in your life, open up your emotions for other people. Allow them to love you. Allow them to take care of you. Life can be painful, but remember, after every pain, you come back stronger. Any mistakes you make in life, you can correct them along the way. You can become a better person and change the way you are in the future. And of course, the most important part, it's important who you are on the inside. And never stop writing, never stop living, never stop striving and having hope.